Hey y'all, welcome to VLOGMAS Day 6. This video will be me making apple pie cookies. This is inspired by Chef Bay on Instagram. I think she's on YouTube too. But I saw these on my Explore page on Instagram, and I said I had to have them, and I'm so glad I made them because they are so good. This video was supposed to be for tomorrow, but my video today was a fail, so y'all getting these today. I'll have everything listed in the description box, and enjoy. In the beginning, she used cinnamon sugar butter. I don't have that, so I made my own, as you can see. And now for the most tedious part, which is why I didn't film me doing all of those. And then I ran out of space doing the last one.